Happy New Year. Happy New You. I'm Dr. Doral R. Pulley, the spiritual leader of Unity Temple of Truth Church right here in St. Petersburg, Florida, and the presiding bishop of the Church of the Everlasting Kingdom. And I am so excited about coming to Los Angeles, California to share with my ministry colleagues from the Reverend Johnny Coleman Theological Seminary, Reverend Sherri James and Reverend Sherri Thompson. I'm so excited about coming to Up Church on Sunday, January the 28th at 1 o'clock p.m. You don't want to miss it. I have so much to share with you so that you can kick off this new year right. In fact, spend the weekend with us because there's a leader in you waiting to be developed. That Friday evening, January the 26th, and that Saturday afternoon, January the 27th, we will be developing our leaders. And the entire weekend, we will be developing our Christ consciousness. I see good for you. God has absolute good for you in 2018. Join me again on Sunday, January the 28th at 1 o'clock p.m. at Understanding Principles Church. That's upchurch.org for more information. I love you. God bless you. Have a prosperous and productive day.